Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Playing with Patterns 6x6 Designer Series paper stack in the new Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog 2020 to 2021. This paper pack is amazing. I'll be honest, as I was fanning out each sheet, I got more and more excited. I feel like it's got the perfect, generic colors, like your regular primary colors. I know they're not quite primary, they're like a hint off of that, but I absolutely love it. And the patterns and the colors and everything make it so playful and fun. I can see using this for so many things. I actually see a fabulous one sheet wonder coming soon. So I'm so excited and I can't wait to play with it. This is a 6x6 Designer Series paper stack. So there's actually 48 total sheets. There are 4 each of the double-sided designs. So there is so much potential to get so many different looks with this amazing paper. The colors included are Calypso Coral, Coastal Cabana, Crushed Curry, Night of Navy, Purple Posy, and of course, Whisper White. I'm going to go through and show you each sheet of it, and I want you to pick out your favorite and let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the end. Okay, so did you guys love the Playing with Patterns 6x6 paper? I hope you did, and I hope you picked out your favorite. My favorite probably has to be this amazing Navy Coastal Cabana and Purple Posy. I'm loving that one, but I also love the rainbows in this one. But there's so many that I love and I can't wait to use it. This one just screams like ocean water and I'm loving that too. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to start using it. Of course, I'll be posting completed projects on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can go over there and get lots of inspiration, techniques, and ideas. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.